Are you curious to know about Mangal Dosha and worried as to how it affects your life and want to get astrological solutions for it? Then watch the video till the end. Hello friends. Hello friends. I am Jyotir Visharad, Dr. Gajanan Sangle, astrologer, Vastu consultant and your friend. Today we will talk regarding Mangal Dosha and the astrological solutions for it. So let's start. People ask me, what is Mangal Dosha? Mangal Dosha, one of the Vedic astrology most debatable words, has probably become a scapegoat or easy to blame for many. The words Manglik Dosha, Mangal Dosha are looming large and play heavy in marriage related matters, especially for females in India. Anyone facing delay in marriage, facing issues in married life, and one finds Mangal Dosha being attributed to it in majority of cases. But then there are different versions and explanations assigned to Mangal Dosha. Now, what is Mangal Dosha? A blemish in the horoscope due to Mars is Mangal Dosha. Also called as Manglik Dosha, it is thought to create problems in married life. The type and amount of problem are not uniform but depends upon Mars placements in the horoscope. Many websites thrive on doing a quick Mangal Dosha check and prescribing Mangal Dosha remedies, but is that correct? I have been practicing Vedic astrologies from a few years, and to date I have found very few natives who have Mangal Dosha in Kundali that could not be neutralized. The whole idea and theology of Mangal Dosha is grossly erroneous and wrongly practiced. Manglik Dosha cannot practically be in a horoscope because of 1. Manglik Dosha cannot be practically in any horoscope because can one planet Mars get so much powerful that it eats away the positivity of all other planets? How can the other planets remain silent and let Mars do all the dirty tricks? If Mars creates a Mangal Dosh in Kundali, then other malefic planets like Saturn should also create Shani Dosha. Mars is intrinsically a malefic planet. But as lordship, exaltation, etc., almost 70% time it plays a role of a supportive planet for the horoscope. When all the above postulates apply to a horoscope, then who scares the masses with this non-existent yoga? My study showed that all those who have little knowledge or no knowledge of horoscope reading use this yoga frequently, as it is easy to do a Mangal Dosha check based on Mars placement. So, if the scare of this yoga is looming large on your head, then use an authentic. So, if the scare of Mangal Yoga is looming large on your head, then consult some astrologer like us who is reading. So, if you are scared of Mangal Dosha, then calculate a learned astrologer like us who can guide you. Now let's talk about a few questions that may be troubling you. Does Mars in the second house create Mangal Dosh? No, the Mars in the second house does not create Mangal Dosha. Some North Indian astrologers think otherwise, but the fact of matter is Mars, if malefic, creates a problem in the house that it is placed. So the best way is to get the horoscope evaluated and perform simple Mangal Dosha remedies. How to know about Mangal Dosha? To check the Mangal Dosha, one has to see the placement of the Mars in the first house, 4th house, 7th house, 8th house and 12th house in a horoscope. We consider moon sign to check the Mangal Dosha. You will find many astrology sites Manglik Dosha. This can be used to gather prima facie information about Manglik Dosha, but it is always better to get it vetted through a competent astrologer. Because its potency may be different, which decides high Mangal Dosha, low Mangal Dosha or even Anshik Mangal Dosha, but consult only an expert to avoid any misinterpretation of Mangal Dosha. I am again telling you, There are different ways to examine the potency of Manglik dosha in a horoscope. Some ask me, does Mangal dosha ends after the age of 24? Ask me, does Mangal dosha ends at the age of 28 years? No, the Mangal dosha does not end after 28 years of age. In fact, if a dosha is present in any horoscope, it remains present for the life. As per Vedic astrology, Mars enters into a different form after 28th year of the native age. The fierceness of energy of Mars gets channelized after the 20th year but does not apply to the marriage astrology. Someone asked me, can anyone get rid of Manglik dosha? You never get rid of Mangal dosha if it is present in your horoscope, but just get the Manglik dosha checked. It is a very nice probability that you do not have this dosha at all. 80% of classified Mangliks who walk into my office do not have Mangal dosha. People also ask me, can Manglik dosha delay the marriage? Among the effects of Mangal dosha, one is indeed that it can delay marriage, but Mars does not act in isolation. Some other planet must be acting as a sole delayer, whereas Mars may be aggravating the issue. So better perform some Manglik dosha remedies after consulting an astrologer like us. Is there any remedy for Mangal dosha? There are many Manglik dosha remedies, but one has to be smart enough to identify which remedy is the best suited. Mars place and temperament nature, undue desires, aggression, assertions, and blind following. If one acquires any one or multiple of these qualities, it will affect the marriage part. So it is best to get a Manglik dosha check and follow the advice of a karma character astrologer. A karma collector astrologer will discreetly identify the Manglik girl characteristics or Manglik boy characteristics and suggest ways to modify nature. So the best remedy for Mangal dosha is karmic correction and not following mindless, materialistic rituals which will not help but may on the contrary harm you. Performing such remedies can only keep you guessing in future, and one may attribute all issues, particularly in married life, to this noble planet Mars. If you ask me, the best remedy for Manglik dosha is to marry after matching the charts. It will enable you to let the horoscope of the prospective spouse counterbalance characteristics and potency of Mars in your horoscope. People ask, how does Manglik dosha get formed in a kundli? One can check the Manglik dosha theoretically, but to understand the actual effects of Mangal dosha, you should consult a good marriage astrologer. Can a Manglik marry a non-Manglik? Oh, this misconception is the master of all doubts and the myths about Manglik dosha. But let me clarify. Yes, a Manglik can marry a non-Manglik and vice versa. As said earlier, do not keep any apprehensions in your mind with respect to this question. Firstly, you may not have a Manglik dosha at all. Even if you have it, a Manglik can surely marry a non-Manglik. I would not like to give more astrological reasons here to avoid any kind of misinterpretations. Such decisions are horoscope specific, so better consult a good astrologer before forming your opinion or making any decision either way. Now people also ask me, what is the best way to deal with Mangal dosha? The best way to deal with Manglik dosha, first check if you really have this. I can tell over 50% will find that they don't have this dosha. If still is an element of doubt about the Mangal dosha, check potency of this Mangal dosha and finally marry after horoscope matching based on the overall marriage compatibility factors. If a person can follow these simple 3 steps, there is no way that this dosha can bother you. I have divulged on all misconception about Mangal dosha along with the simple ways to deal with this blemish called Mangal dosha and also the best way to deal with Mangal dosha. I always say to my clients, don't blindly believe anyone, including me. If you feel the difference in your life by following the remedies given by the astrologer, follow him or change astrologer. But don't blame astrology. I am a strong believer. Self-belief is the best belief. No one in this world can lie to himself. Still have any doubts? Contact team of Jyotir Visharad, Dr. Gajanan Sangle, office number 123, ground floor, Damji Shamji Business Galleria, adjacent to D-Mart, LBS Marg, Kanjur Marg West, Mumbai 78. You can contact us on my office numbers 022 4609 5666 or 022 4609 6755. My WhatsApp numbers are 9167512929 and 9167392329. You can mail us at info@gajanansangle.com or also contact us by visiting our website www.gajanansangle.com. Friends, if you like this video, kindly share with the persons who are really in a tension and don't know which career they should select. This will definitely help them. Thank you.